Okay, friends, another Jenny video of the water in our neighborhood and also observing how well my rain garden is doing. My goal of the rain garden is just filtering the water and slowing it down because I know I can't stop it. So here it is. Here's my rain garden. Here's all the water coming down between my neighbor and my house. Walking up to show you more of the river. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Hope you're not getting seasick from this. That happens to me. Through the trees and the bushes. So you can see, while I'm always cautious, making sure the water's flowing, because I don't want it in those basement windows. All of this draining down to the sewer. Gonna make a turn. Another view. Now I'm going to walk you down to the bottom of the hill. But this is awesome. It's been excavated perfectly, so the water just drains down to the lowest point. As long as the main sewer on the street is open, we don't have any trouble. Look at that. Had to make a little canal over here for my gutter. My kids used to love to come out here with their boats in the summertime and float them. So there's where it goes. Down here to the bottom of the hill. So as long as this big sewer drain is open, we are in good shape. Springtime's pretty tough because everybody's leaves and crud come flowing down the hill. Pretty amazing. Just listen to that. And here's a view back. I'm the only weirdo out in my boots observing this. Me and the birds. The dogs won't even come out. Okay, that's all, folks.